How do I get the path of the current executed file in Python? This may seem like a newbie question, but it is not. Some common approaches don't work in all cases. sys.args0. This means using path equals os.path.abspath os.path.dirname sys.args0, but this does not work if you are running from another Python script in another directory, and this can happen in real life. _file_. This means using path equals os.path.abspath os.path.dirname _file_, but I found that this doesn't work. Py2exe doesn't have a _file_ attribute, but there is a workaround. When you run from idle with execute there is no _file_ attribute, Mac OS X v10.6, Snow Leopard, where I get, name error column global name _file_ is not defined. Related questions with incomplete answers. Find path to currently running file. Path to current file depends on how I execute the program. How can I know the path of the running script in Python? Change directory to the directory of a Python script. I'm looking for a generic solution, one that would work in all above use cases. Update. Here is the result of a test case. Output of python.py, on Windows. a.py. File subdir/b.py. Tree.
You can't directly determine the location of the main script being executed. After all, sometimes the script didn't come from a file at all. For example, it could come from the interactive interpreter or dynamically generated code stored only in memory. However, you can reliably determine the location of a module, since modules are always loaded from a file. If you create a module with the following code and put it in the same directory as your main script, then the main script can import the module and use that to locate itself. Some_path/module_locator.py. Some_path/main.py. If you have several main scripts in different directories, you may need more than one copy of module_locator. Of course, if your main script is loaded by some other tool that doesn't let you import modules that are co-located with your script, then you're out of luck. In cases like that, the information you're after simply doesn't exist anywhere in your program. Your best bet would be to file a bug with the authors of the tool.
First, you need to import from inspect and os. Next, wherever you want to find the source file from, you just use
This solution is robust even in executables. I was running into a similar problem, and I think this might solve the problem. It works for regular scripts and in idle. All I can say is try it out for others. My typical usage. Now I use underscore modpath underscore instead of underscore file underscore.